Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox this Realme Buds Wireless 2, which has been recently launched by Realme, and I actually ordered it on 26th of this month and got it delivered today. Um Let me just unbox and see uh, what contents we have in the box. And before I unbox, so let's see what are the key features given in this. So we have active noise cancellation feature and Sony LDAC high-res audio support. um, if we charge for 10 minutes, it's gonna give you 12 hours of playback, which is super good. And it has a 13.6 mm bass boost drivers. You're gonna really enjoy the bass in that. And it gives uh, 22 hours of total backup, and it also has 88 super low latency feature that has been given. So let's unbox this. Let's put this cover aside, put this knife. Okay, this is how we can open. And I have ordered this black and yellow combination, and as said here, it works with the Realme link. Let me show you that as well. And let me take it out. I have actually ordered this on 26th in the first sale, and post that the rate has been increased and it is now 2299, but I purchased it for 1999, which is the best deal. And let me keep this aside, and let's see what are all the other contents that we get in the box. We have some paperwork. Let me keep it aside. And we have this data cable, type C data cable, yellow in color. Let's see what else we have. And we have extra ear tips given in the box, and these are all the things that we have. Okay, so let me use this device for a couple of days and give you uh, and I'll share with you my real-time experience, how it gonna work, how's the audio quality. Okay. First of all, let me give you a brief idea about the build quality. The build quality is really cool, super flexible. You can just fold like this, keep it in your pocket and carry it anywhere. A rubber kind of a material. And The wire quality is really good, and here it is a kind of a plasticky material, but it looks premium. And here the volume up, volume down, multifunction key, button for active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and if you double tap this, it's gonna switch between two devices. So it's simple to operate. You just need to detach these ear tips to power it on. So once you detach, you're gonna see a green light blinking, and once you attach them, it's gonna turn off. It's a cool feature. Let me use this for a couple of days and share my experiences with you in the next video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions regarding this, please mention that in my uh, comment section, and I'm gonna reply all those comments. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.